Hey guys, this is Kaisif and today we're going to be looking at a turnable flying machine. So let's set this off by updating that observer. It hits the checkpoint in the middle of the road and it turns, leaves behind a part, hits another checkpoint, leaves behind yet another part, and carries on until it hits the obsidian at the end. And we once again update the observer. It goes back the same way it came, leaves behind each checkpoint, and turns very comfortably. So let's get down to how to build this. Alright, so starting off, you want to build a very basic flying machine. This is the very standard design if you are used to building flying machines. So slime blocks and observers running into the slime blocks. Now you've got to make sure about the positioning of your slime blocks, because you want the slime block to face the direction in which you want the flying machine to turn. Over here I want it to turn to the left, so the slime block is towards the left. Next up, you want to face piston going into the slime block and another pointing in the direction that you want it to turn. Now what you've done here is that you've actually constructed yet another flying machine, which as you can see is almost similar to the previous one except for the fact that it's in a different direction. The only thing you require to complete the flying machine is this slime block and observer setup, which is what is going to constitute our checkpoint. So come out from this block as far as you want and place a slime block exactly in that line. You don't want to mess this up. Go up and place an observer pointing into the slime block. This is going to be your first checkpoint. So you can send off your flying machine, keep an immovable object handy with you, and place it down to stop it. Now that it's turned once, and in case you want it to turn again, once again this can only turn towards this direction, it can't turn in another direction. What you've got to do is construct a bit of an appendage which allows you to turn it. So that's how you build it. Once again, the same basic solution. Okay. Next up, you go in the direction that it was continuing on and build the same checkpoint system. Update the correct observer so that it goes off in that direction. It turns and then you can stop it. Now you can add as many checkpoints as you want, but it has to be in the same zigzagging fashion. And yeah, this is how you just add more checkpoints just like that. And as you can see, it's perfectly reversible. It does leave behind parts of itself as it continues on, but I don't think it's really going to be a huge problem. This is really useful for any kinds of farms and tunnel systems as I showed in the beginning. So once again, you can just send it off, turns. If you wanted to build one that turns towards the right, then you've got to just flip over the design. But thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.